Hello dear students, so today we are going to discuss problem number 1.4 of chapter 1 in Physics NCERT. Explain the meaning of the statement electric charge of a body is quantized. So we have already studied the basic properties of electric charge, that one of the basic properties of electric charge is quantization. Okay, and quantization is Q is equal to Ne. Okay, so where Q is the charge, N is the integer, and E is the electronic charge, that is the least value of charge. So here charges can be transferred from one body to the another, like 1 2 3 4 5 6 up to n. Okay, so the charges cannot be transferred in the form of a fraction like 2 by 3, 4 by 3, 6 by 10, like that. Seriya, why can one ignore quantization of electric charge when dealing with macroscopic? Macroscopic means large scale level. So when we are dealing with macroscopic or large scale level, charges are huge in number. That means plenty of charges will be there, and when we are comparing the number of charges with the magnitude of electric charge, it is very small. Okay, so this is the answer. 1.5 is also a theory question, that's why I skipped, and now we will see 1.6. 4-point charges QA, QB, QC, QD, for all they have given the separate values, are located at the corners of a square ABCD of a side 10 cm. What is the force on a charge of 1 mu c placed at the center of the square? So here you can see that there is a square. Okay, and all the four ends of the square are taken as A, B, C and D. The charges at A is taken QA, that is equal to 2 mu c. Mu means micro and its value is 10 to the power minus 6. At B we have a charge QB, that is equal to minus 5 mu c. QC is plus 2 mu c and QD is minus 2 mu c. Okay, so we are joining the diagonals of the square, and this is the middle point, and that is taken as O. At the midpoint we have one more charge, that is 1 mu c. Okay, so the sides are, you can see the sides AB, BC, CD, DA, and that is equal to 10 centimeter, which is already given in the problem. Okay, and next is diagonals. Diagonals are AC and BD. Okay, and the diagonals are 10 root 2. So this we have to calculate. Diagonal oda formula we use panni 10 root 2 அப்படினு போட்டுருக்கோம். Next, if the diagonals are 10 root 2 means, then what about this part? That means OA, OC, OB and OD. So this is 5 root 2. 10 root 2 divided by 2. So that is 5 root 2. Okay. Now we will calculate the force between the charge which is kept at A and the charge which is kept at the middle point. That means between these two, these two, these two and these two. Okay. So first let us take FAO. FAO means this one. FAO, the force between the charges present at A point and at O point. So that is K QA QO divided by the distance of separation is OA whole square. So that is equal to K into QA is already given, that is plus 2 mu c. So 2 into 10 to the power minus 6 into QO is 1 into 10 to the power minus 6 divided by OA is 5 root 2 whole square. In the same way for OC we can write it as FOC is equal to K QC QO divided by OC whole square, that is equal to K into 2 into 10 to the power minus 6 into 1 into 10 to the power minus 6 divided by 5 root 2 whole square. Next for FDO. FDO is K QD QO divided by DO square. So here K into QD is minus 5 into 10 power minus 6. QO is same, the middle charge, divided by 5 root 2 whole square. Then FBO is K QB QO divided by BO square. So we have applied the values here. So what we can analyze here is that equation 1 and 2, that means FAO and FCO are equal but opposite in direction. So already nama padichirkom, wherever we have studied that equal and opposite in direction means the force will get cancelled. So similarly here also that force will get cancelled, and you can see here also that FDO and FBO are also same, but they will act in the opposite direction and they will get cancelled. So finally we can say that the resultant force act at the middle charge is 0. Okay, hope you all understand this problem 1.6, which is an interesting problem. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.